fish in this bayou that weigh more than I do.
Really?
Potentially.
Yep. One of them is the gar.
Alligator gar, some really enormous carp, and buffalo. And I
The
say way
alligator
more
gar
than.
can run 80, 90 pounds.
Brother is jealous that his camera is not like that.
But it's very safe. This is not a unsafe place. My children grew up out here, and they used to swim in the bayou all the time. Never got attacked.
They built tree houses back in those trees.
Right, those trees there, and hung out. No, it's really in Florida. The alligators, for some reason, are much more aggressive.
But they're all similar in one respect. Poured into a glass, they're clear.
Yeah,
You add water, they go milky.
yeah,
Yep.
yep.
In fact, Rockies, they call it tiger's milk because they drink it with water, and it goes milky. It's just like milk.
Well, next time we come out, I'll bring my bottle of ouzo. We'll all be in the bag, I guarantee you.
Probably everybody will throw themselves to buy it.
I'll guarantee you.
We're in the middle of the ocean now.
We
We got lost.
We would mention this
So
after we
we're
passed
going
it.
to, as our chief person who controls the boat said, we're going to New Orleans now. So we'll be there by Christmas, hopefully.
You know I'm not recording, right?
No?
No.
Absent.
Absinthe is very similar to ouzo, which at one time I
Recording.
read that